Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make iced carbonated Gatorade Zero Sugar Orange Mandarin Orange. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug. Then after that, get the scissors and cut open the packet of the Gatorade Zero Sugar Orange mix and you pour it into this mug. Then after that, you pour in the water, and last but not least, you open up this can of Mandarin Orange Sparkling Water and you pour it into this mug. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced carbonated Gatorade Zero Sugar Orange Mandarin Orange. I hope you like it, folks. Oh, and it looks like it's going down. Got a little more. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, folks, and enjoy this drink when you have a chance. Thank you.